the Pod Network Entertainment.
This episode of Tunay na Rider is powered by Castrol.
Welcome to Tunay na Rider, mga katunay. On this episode, we're having back a frequent in the channel, a good friend of ours, Mr. Ride Manila himself, Mr. Vince Tagle, na fresh mula sa EICMA.
Good evening everyone.
Jet lag pa yan.
Oo nga, of
Konti
course.
na lang.
Bukod kay
Fly Manila yan kanina.
bukod kay Sir Vince, syempre nagbabalik the one and only Buck Pago,
Last week
Iba
pa?
Bernardo.
Ikaw ang wala rito. Saan ka ba galing?
Welcome back, Bak.
Kababalik ko lang din galing vegan. Ayun. Nandito tayo ngayon para pag-usapan ng ilang bagong ano ba to? Mga produkto or modelo ng Cardo. Pero bago yan, Sir Vince, gusto ko kwentuhan mo muna kami. Kwentuhan mo naman kami anong mga naging observations mo, what's happening in EICMA, or what happened there.
Well, EICMA.
Mm.
And that is, syempre, it's one of those events that all of us want to go to.
Oo, yun
It's
yung
the
parang,
biggest event for
For
the motorcycle
motorcycles.
industry.
kumbaga,
Right.
main event sa boxing yan eh.
Oh,
Taon-taon, di ba?
pare.
Oo.
This is like yung bucket list event
Oo.
for me. I really want to go one of these
Di
days.
ka pa ba nakapunta dun?
Never.
Ako
Never
rin,
got
di
to
ba-
EICMA.
Hindi, alam mo, let's organize it na February pa lang planuhin na natin.
Sponsored by Ride Manila
Maganda
yung...
sabay-sabay na.
No. You know what? Now, what we could potentially do is like what Gino told me. So Gino's a regular in EICMA,
Oo.
and even Zach before
Mm-mm.
is he doesn't just go to one brand to sponsor the trip.
Yes.
He goes to multiple. But when you get there, I mean, you see Zach. He's working for every single one of those
Oo.
brands that sponsor him.
Mm-mm.
Diba? He will go to the booth. He will create content for them. It's and even as you going there, it's a
Oo.
job. I mean, for me, it's a dream to experience.
Hindi siya leisure trip, ganun.
Hindi siya leisure
But
trip.
it's not expensive, going to EICMA, because if you book your your flights mga early February, March, you get those discounted rates pa. Okay. An economy fare is nasa, I think, around 900 euros, 800 euros.
That's not bad.
Diba? Better than, I think going to let us say, Japan, magkano ngayon, no? It's about 700, diba?
Yeah.
Okay. So, it's not that bad. Okay. Tapos, if we all come in a group, we can go get Airbnb. Transport is not difficult because you know naman the public transportation is Europe. It's very convenient. No? Yun.
Pwede ako mag-big packers doon.
Pwede.
Pero yung sila Ken were telling me that yung bahay nila na nag-Airbnb sila eh. Kasi marami sila eh.
Mm.
May mumu.
What the...
Hindi ako naniniwala sa
But
mumu.
in the middle of the night,
Oh.
biglang sumigaw si Steph Cinco.
Ay, hindi
Anong
mumu
ginawa-
yun.
Anong ginawa ni Gino?
Si Gino yun. Hindi yun mumu.
Bakit daw?
May nakita siya. And then they all, si Ken like grabbed the
Oo.
wine bottle.
Oo.
Parang comedy. Umakyat sila ni Gino kasi nasa top floor
Kunyari lang
Steph.
si Gino.
Oo.
And may ano. And
Ano raw
then,
nakita niya?
Kalbo.
and then it happened twice during that trip. Biglang sumigaw.
Oh.
Anyway, but
Unbelievable.
But
Siguro
these
naman walang sisigaw kung tayo magkakasama.
ay, Bak!
Bak, ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Okay, so going back, yeah,
Okay, going
EICMA.
back,
Yeah.
Let's plan. Oh, ano tayo? next year?
Let's talk. Let's do an idiot's guide to going to EICMA, and let's
Pwede.
si Mark wants to go then eh.
Oo.
So hindi na natin kailangan mag-Airbnb.
May bahay yan doon malamang.
Ticket lang yung kailangan natin kung kasama si Buck. Si Mark.
Hindi, mura lang talaga. No kidding. Hindi that expensive.
Hindi butas
Oo,
bulsa.
oo.
Okay. you mentioned dun sa ano natin, sa live stream, naka 5 times ka nang nagpunta dun, Sir Vince.
5 times akong nakapunta. Wala pa din yung Intermot. The first trade fair I attended was Intermot in 2017.
Right.
Tapos from 2017 to 2024, 2 years lang akong hindi nakapunta ng EICMA.
What's Intermot? Ngayon
Intermot,
ko lang narinig
para
yan
siyang
eh.
EICMA, pero German.
So boring.
Ha?
So boring.
Pero maraming beer.
You just go there for business.
Before popular ang Intermot, no. Well, ang sabi-sabi nila noon, if you're going to trade fair for business, Intermot is better. Okay, kasi
Yeah, that's right. It's German.
There's less audience.
Yun.
No?
It's really it's a business.
It's a
Seryoso
business
lahat.
thing, oo.
Walang ngumingiti
Bawal
ron.
magbiroan dun.
With EICMA kasi, the first day it's media day. The second day it's
Public.
trade visitor. And then after that, open to the public na.
So parang may
oo.
Kaya
entertainment
matagal.
factor.
Matagal. Tsaka napupuno talaga siya kasi even schools, no, they close the schools para makapunta yung mga students.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Ooh.
Okay. What's different naman sa EICMA dun sa nangyari last year tsaka ngayon? Ano yung mga napansin mong
Or
trend?
the previous times.
It's getting bigger. There are more participants. A lot of the brands that I did not see last year
Nandun ngayon.
was here this year. No?
Mm.
Like, ang bigla ko nakita, BMW. Wow, nandito si BMW ngayon.
Mm.
Before kasi, previous years with EICMA, before Intermot, hindi ko nakikita si BMW. Last time I saw BMW was in Intermot. Okay. So ngayon, si BMW may booth na sa EICMA ngayon. And then there are a lot other brands na hindi dati naglalagay ng booth, nandoon ngayon. No?
Like what brands?
Shot Gear Racing, dati wala. Na meron ngayon doon.
And you guys carry that, diba?
We carry that, oo. Madami pa. I can recall lang, pero pag nakita ko doon, meron silang booth ngayon.
Okay, so again, Pinoy, hanggang Pilipinas lang kami. How does it compare to Makina? Like, Makina lang yung experience namin, which is already kind of massive, right?
Oo.
I mean, so that for the people listening, how does it compare?
Siguro Makina, you can finish in 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mag-ikot-ikot.
Mag-ikot-ikot.
Oh.
Okay. With EICMA, hindi mo kayang tapusin in one day. If you wanna see everything and see everything well, hindi mo kayang tapusin in one day.
Tsaka building siya, di ba?
Building siya.
So literal, parang Disneyland to ng motor.
So anyway, if you can't
Literal.
finish it in one day, and Makina you can finish in 2, so you're talking about 6 times, 10 times bigger than
Oo.
Makina.
Wow.
Oo.
Just wow. Tungkol sa mga motor naman, tsaka sa mga accessories, anong napansin mo?
Wait, we meet at sino yung helmet?
Sino?
Yung nagbabato ng t-shirt, nandun ba sila sa EICMA?
Yeah,
Si
Evo?
Evo?
nandun
Ba't
ba
tayo
sila?
mo sabihin, ano?
dito lang naman yun.
walang Evo doon.
Wala.
They panis.
Wala pala eh. Bawal dun mamato ng t-shirt.
na masasampid sa sa boot ng iba.
Okay lang, hindi naman
Ito
sila
lang,
nakikinig sa
okay.
podcast.
How big is EICMA? Okay. Yung trade complex, katabi yung metro.
Saan
Yung
pala siya sa
station.
Italy?
It's in Fiero Milano. Okay.
Dun.
Oo, Fiero Milano. Anyway, katabi ng train station. From the train station going to, let us say, the trade fair itself,
Lakad lang.
parang 20 minutes walk, 25 minutes walk. Ang layo.
Okay.
Ang layo talaga.
Pero
Meron
malamig
pang
naman.
walkalator yun, ha?
Malamig naman yata.
Oo. Malamig.
Winter or fall.
Fall na, di ba? So malamig na. Kailangan mo na mag-jacket talaga. Tapos sa gabi, beanie or something.
Kaya pala si Gino Rupino, nakikita ko doon, laging pasyonista mag-jacket.
Tsaka naka-beanie palagi, di ba? Kasi walang buhok. eh.
Kalbo eh.
Walang buhok yun. Ginaw na ginaw
Sisipunin
yun.
Kaya tingin ko doon napatili si Step 5 kasi kita mo pag nasa anino yung itsura nun, di ba?
Nung tinanggal yung beanie, biglang lumiwanag. Akala multo.
Mga accessories and technology, Sir Vince. Ano yung napansin mo dun na trend ngayon?
Okay, ang pinakabagong nakita kong trend din sa technology sa motor is yung wala ng clutch lever. It's semi-automatic. Also yung mga radar system.
Yeah, I don't get the radar system.
It's pretty common Even ngayon mga cars dito ng Toyota di ba?
Subaru,
May
yung parang
radar
eyesight
system,
nila.
no?
So, is it LiDAR?
It's I don't know, it's radar, no? Pag nakita niyang may kotse sa harap, mabilis ka, pepreno yung motor mo.
Constant yung nagsisend ng
Okay.
parang ng
Nag-signal,
signal. Tapos pagka may object na malapit sa'yo o lumalapit na, bibigyan ka niya ng parang nagkakaroon.
Mag-slow down.
Okay, so it is like LiDAR.
Yes.
It's a constant beam,
Oo.
and then it reflects back the
Yes.
movement.
In fact, okay. May kaibigan ako. He's got a 1300 GS. Na-aksidente sa norte, no? Kasi winding road, galing kami ng Mount Data pauwi, pababa.
Uy, okay.
Na-aksidente siya kasi biglang sumalubong yung truck. May kasalubong siyang truck.
Okay.
Nag-automatic pumreno daw yung motor.
Oh, crap.
If hindi nangyari yun, pumreno ng konti bago siya sumalpok. Sumalpok pa din sa truck, pero naramdaman niya, nag-automatic
May effort
nagpreno
yung
yung
bike.
motor because of the radar. So, sabi niya ganon, kung hindi nangyari yun, baka mas malakas yung impact pa.
Right.
Okay, so I was thinking the opposite, na parang he could have veered away.
So, mas
No.
mabilis.
No, not enough time. So talaga
Not
split
enough
second.
time, split second.
So, mas mabilis yung reaction time niya.
Hindi. Mas mabilis
Kesa
yung...
dun sa...
yung
yung reaction time ng
motor.
motor kesa dun sa reaction time niya.
Yes. Also, kung mag-overtake ka, it gives you a visual signal kung meron kang vehicle sa tabi mo. Para
Blind
to
spot.
warn you.
Blind spot. Parang
pero that's the point of having
chigi.
a cardo. A cardo. Clear. Okay, banat. Go.
Problema sa Cardo. Clear.
Ay!
Meron pala. Sorry.
Ay!
Alam mo, sumakay, I rode a Tesla, no? Going to the airport. Ang galing nung nung radar ng Tesla. Pati korte ng kotse lumalabas dun sa screen, dun sa
What
TV niya.
the...
No? Kung halimbawa yung korte ng truck, lalabas truck. Kung motor, lalabas motor. Dun sa screen.
Napakalaki ng screen nun di ba?
And then malayo yung distance. As far as the eye can see, kung nakikita ng mata mo, kita ng radar yung vehicle.
Ma-overwhelm yan sa Pilipinas.
Malulula.
May pusa, may aso,
Malulula yun.
may kambing, may tricycle, may pedicab, may
Bata.
tao.
So yun ang mga bago. Aside from, of course, every brand has their own version of EV bikes now. So naglalabas ng mga concept bikes.
Oh, Husqvarna.
Di ba?
Ang ganda
Husqvarna,
nun.
meron ding pang dirt bike na electric na. Tapos, a lot of the brands now are going to...
Oh, and the government has extended the tax breaks on EVs till 2028.
Wow.
Zero duty. No?
Zero duty.
O yun, speaking of Cardo, clear. May bago raw ang Cardo, Sir Vince. Kwento mo ng mga may tungkol dyan.
Hindi, Cardo is launching na-launch na yata. Na-launch na. Okay, the Pactok
Nandito na
Edge Pro.
Kita na
Ni-launch kanina,
May
1 hour
birthday gift.
ago.
May birthday gift nga ako
So for new features is, of course, the casing now is black.
Anong modelo to?
Yeah.
PT Pro. Okay,
Pactok
Edge.
Pro.
Okay, Edge Pro.
Edge Pro.
So black casing. Number 2 is auto on off.
Mm.
Okay, yung auto on off is pag na-sense niya na nilapag mo yung helmet mo, it will turn off. Pagka binuhat mo, it will turn on.
Right.
Okay,
Laking bagay nun.
Diba?
That is such a battery saver.
Battery
Yeah.
mismo.
Diba? Tapos 45mm JBL speakers.
Yun na nga.
Okay,
Oo,
bigger,
mas-
the pinakamalaking speaker ngayon ni Cardo. It's 45mm but thinner. Okay? Thinner siya. And then, of course, yung pinaka new feature niya is the crash detection. Okay?
Okay, yung crash detection niya na yun, paano siya nag-work? Like, ko-contact ba siya sa otoridad o sa network na, sa number na ilalagay mo sa app?
Okay. Similar to yung mga air vest natin na electronic na, okay, it senses a certain algorithm dun sa, what do you call that? Yung sabi mo
Yung
kanina?
accelerometer.
The accelerometer,
Yeah,
di ba? It's like a gimbal, di ba? Okay, to see kung ano, okay.
I think that Chigi has it, di ba? May lean angle ba? Or no, it taps into the BMW.
Sa GS yun, sa ECU ng GS.
Oo.
So the accelerometer is also the same technology that will know if your helmet is on you
Mm.
or nakapatong lang sa table.
Yung
Yes.
sa mga
O
ano,
nasa
meron
ground,
yan.
nasa ground siya.
Oo.
Yung sa mga
oo.
dashcam, meron yan. Yung pag nakadetect
Ah,
ng crash,
Yes.
magre-record siya ng ilang seconds.
Pero it's a simpler accelerometer.
Oo.
Shock lang yun eh. Ito, angle, it can also
Dynamic.
track
Oo.
impact and etc.
Okay. So meron siyang algorithm that it monitors, pero ang algorithm niya is more designed for road application. Wala pa nung off-road. So it won't work well sa off-road. Okay, or it might be defective sa
Actually,
off-road.
yeah, because ako sa off-road, tumba ako ng tumba eh.
Yan, oo.
So mas-stress na yung wife ko kung parang
Oo.
Panay tawag.
na-aksidente. Okay, tayo ka na-aksidente.
Panay tawag.
So sa app naman, you can turn it off.
Okay.
Now, okay, if it detects a crash, tanong ni King, no, if it detects a crash, it will send a message to a predetermined number, no, which ikaw pili ka kung anong number, kung sa
Mark
wife
Sung.
mo,
Mark
Sung,
Sung.
or
Oh.
whatever, no. Okay, it will say an emergency has been detected from let us say Vince Tagle.
Mm.
Okay, and his location is this. So click lang yon, it goes to like Google Apps yung map, malalaman yung
So it gets the
Location mo.
GPS location
Yes,
from
yes.
your phone
yes.
and then it sends it. So it's it is really like the Apple Watch Ultra.
Yan.
Paano
Yung
no?
SOS feature niya.
Question, halimbawa itong helmet na to, no, nakapatong siya dyan, kakahubad ko lang, tapos nalaglag siya.
Alam mo, tinest namin yan, King. Yesterday, sabi ko, paano natin matest tong crash detection? So, una muna, binato namin yung helmet. Hindi eh.
Oh my God, okay.
So, meron siyang inianong algorithm.
The algorithm learns eh.
Oo.
Siguro yung speed, tas biglang sudden stop.
Oo.
So, maano niyang ganun siguro yung merong impact or merong sudden jerk. Tapos, naggulong-gulong, doon yung malalaman na ano, no? So, merong pattern dapat ni hinahanap doon sa...
Hinahanap niya
ano.
yung pak.
Oo. So, yun. Tapos, nilagay namin sa manikin. Sinipa namin yung manikin. Tinulak namin. Hindi siya nag-false transmission eh. No?
Wow.
So, mas
Matalino.
malakas na impact ang kailangan niya.
Or coming from
Or a series
speed.
of, di ba? A series of tumatumbling ka sa ere na may
Oo.
jerk or something like that, di ba?
Amazing. Yung ano naman, yung auto on off niya, like, gaano katagal mula sa pagkalapag mo ng helmet bago siya mag-trigger?
Halos instantaneous yung experience namin yesterday. As soon as nilapag kong ganun.
Sobrang
nag-off na siya.
smart.
A few seconds,
Wow.
nag-off na siya eh.
Kasi it could use, I think kasi okay, what does the Cardo, ano yung mga inputs that the Cardo gets, right?
Yung breathing mo, di ba?
Audio.
Oh.
Yon, it's got a mic. So I'm pretty
Breathing?
sure that's another part of it eh. Oh.
Maybe. Oo.
If you take it off, so there's a lot of information that it's capturing.
Oo.
Then you add the accelerometer. Madali lang yun eh.
AI na to.
Matalino,
Cardo
matalino.
AI.
Oo. Nasa Matrix talaga tayo.
Tapos, if you link your Cardo to there's a Riser app. They call it Riser. It's an application para siyang for traveling. So, may GPS, may map, and all these features. No?
Mm.
So, well, it has a subscription for you to get the pro version. Okay. So you can log your route, you can plan, you can record, you can send your GPX file, I think. You can make groups. Madaming feature yung Riser app, no. But the good thing with this is if you subscribe to a Riser app now for Pro, meron siyang special promo ngayon. 25% discount sa Cardo.
Wow.
So the discount can pay for the subscription, 1-year subscription. So, you can try it, no? Subscribe, go to Riser, install it, subscribe, and then you can get 25%. sa Cardo.
Gusto ko 'yon kasi 'di ba binigyan nila ako ng
Pro.
Pro.
Oh.
Gusto ko yung mga ka-ride ko lahat naka-pro, hindi naka-edge ha, yung naka-pro na lahat. So baka pwede mo ibigay yung Riser username ko. So lahat ng bumili ng pro kasi yun ang premium, 'di ba?
Ayan. That's a Riser up.
Uy!
Okay, wait. Okay, so this is the pinaka high end of
Yes, naka-pro ako ngayon. Naka-subscribe to pro.
download ko to mamaya.
Okay. How about yung yung number of members na pwedeng mag-connect dun sa mesh niya?
Okay. Right now, it's 15. Okay.
Yung mga sa gray na edge.
Even the PT Pro now, pag binili mo, 15 yan. So, lahat ng edge models, 15. Okay.
Okay.
But, Cardo will introduce next year the Mesh Boost. Okay. What is Mesh Boost? No. Okay. These are new features that will enhance your Cardo experience. Okay. Example. And this is available backward
Backwards compatible.
Backwards compatible.
And across all most
features
current gen Cardos.
Pati yung lower models, merong upgrade from the Mesh.
And then the lower model. Actually, I want to talk about that later also. About the entry-level Cardos. Because all of a sudden, if with this feature, and I don't know if I should say this because it might lead to less sales of the Pro and the Edge, but if I have the free, what's the entry-level one?
Spirit.
Spirit. If I have the Spirit, and that's 4,000, 5,000?
That's about 6,000
6,000 pesos, which is really affordable.
Yes.
Yeah.
And usually people who buy that are people who maybe daily commuters.
Yes.
You're not riding in a
Solo
group.
rider.
You're not really, solo riders.
Normally, they use it for taking calls.
Yeah.
Or yung
Enjoying
yung
music.
yung Waze.
Yeah.
No? Ganun.
Pang araw-araw.
Oo.
Yung, actually,
Music.
at $6,000,
Okay
it's
no.
almost the same price as the medyo,
Mga questionable
Oo.
generic one.
oo. Diba?
mismo.
Kasi I think it's only maybe 1,000 or 2,000 more expensive than
Yeah.
the
May mga generic brand na mas mahal pa dun.
ng mga OEM na China.
Oh,
Yung parang
talaga?
7,000 range.
yung mga Cherry Mobile type na
Oo.
China, yung rebranded na OEMs, right?
Oo.
But now with Mesh Boost, you can
Yan.
actually get a
Connected.
Cardo for 6,000.
Oo.
And still, if you want to ride with your friends
Connected
that
ka pa
are
rin.
using Edges, Edge Pros, or Bolts
Lalo
that have the
na,
mesh technology.
Yes.
lalo na kung yung mga kaibigan mo medyo inaasar ka kasi hindi ka nakakardo.
So Iba, one of the feature is having VoIP cellular.
ano naman yung
Okay,
VoIP
VoIP
service?
cellular is like
Voice
Over
over,
internet
internet,
protocol.
protocol.
so
Dax, galing mo ba ka?
Amazing.
Google mo ba?
na-research.
Hindi,
Hindi,
dati pa yan, mga
VoIP.
VoIP.
Yung mga scammer eh.
Oo.
Si Bak alam niya yun eh.
Bakit? Don't judge a book by its cover, ha?
Hindi lang coach yan. Scammer pa din.
So,
Tayo
actually,
ng pogo sa
Oo.
Mongolia.
Remote office.
so di ba yung Spirit Max, if you get the Spirit HD, parang four connections
Yeah,
lang
yeah.
for riders, no? If you use the VoIP, it's unlimited now. Okay. So you can connect through VoIP with other riders using VoIP. Okay.
Ang
So
galing
it's
nun.
unlimited connection na, 'di ba?
Pero dapat may
When-
internet.
Dapat may internet.
And
Pero
meron kang data na unlimited data. Oo.
So paano to? Yung mga naka-spirit dati mag-a-update lang ng
Update lang ng software.
next
nila.
year.
Oo, next year.
Next
And then
year.
available na
Wow.
yan sa kanila.
That's crazy. Because, I mean, okay, so things I don't understand. There are a lot of great helmets at a certain price point. Let's say 5,000 to 6,000 that are rated, that have a brand. But people are still buying the ones that are unknown, right?
Actually.
Globally at the
Mismo.
same price points. And I would think this that
Parang mas mahal pa yung iba eh.
and the quality and the warranty and the of the entry level Cardo with the Spirit, parang no-brainer, di ba?
Kung minsan kasi iba, yun yung gamit ng paborito nilang vlogger.
Oo.
Kaya binibili nila yung...
Hindi, ano
That's
lang.
why kasi Cardo tayo, walang bumibili.
Ako iba, I believe we just have to wait for the critical mass. Alam mo naman ang Pinoy, di ba? Okay, ang Pinoy, bibili ng motor.
Ah.
Okay, let us say bibili siya ng NMAX.
Mm.
Okay. Lalagyan ng accessories. Pag tinotal mo lahat, doble na yung presyo ng motor niya.
Para ka na rin nag-big bike.
Parang nag-big bike.
Mm.
You know. So,
Ganun din si Mark Su.
I see that. So I see na once the Spirit or the Freecom gets popular, ganun din mangyayari. So we that's what we want to create, a critical mass that the massa or the rider that rides for
The
the
working
daily commute,
rider.
the working rider,
Yeah.
will buy a Cardo Spirit or a Freecom.
Amazing. I guess nagiging mas accessible siya to many riders.
And it's picking up. Our sales for Spirit is picking up.
Right. Ngayon, itong nilabas natin na bagong produkto, Sir Vince, have been launched sa EICMA. How about locally?
Okay, we will launch this December 5 at Kickstart.
Yan.
Yun.
Kickstand pala.
Kickstand,
Sorry.
kickstand.
Kickstart.
Kickstart.
Westgate.
Nako, lagot.
Ale, hindi niya kami sa ating
Sorry,
pangalan,
Ale.
no?
Sorry, Ale. Kickstand.
Tatawid ka lang muna.
Meron kasing kickstart din, di ba? Yung kila Paulo.
Yeah,
Saan yun?
no, yung brand
Yung
nila.
brand ng
yung
kape,
mga
kape.
Damit, yung
Oh,
mga
yung
ganon.
Then there's also the Globe Venture group with Singtel, which is Kickstart
Oh,
sa Paseo.
Oh,
Ayun. Launch sa December 5. Ngayon, paano yung mga gusto mag-attend nito, Sir Vince, anong gagawin nila?
Hintayin lang nila. We will announce this on our Ride Manila page, and you just need to register.
Nako, since si Vince, he's invested 4 hours of his life to come to our studio.
Hindi kayo pwedeng mawala.
Hindi tayo pwede mawala doon.
Walang excuse.
No excuse.
Oy,
Kailangan nandun tayo.
Kinalendaryo ko na, December 5. Anong oras?
Sabay kami sa iyo. King, ha?
Oh ba?
Uy, Wednesday. Hindi.
Thursday.
Number 5.
May tunay na rider yun.
Oo, Thursday.
Mag-stream na tayo doon.
Doon na lang.
Pwede.
Okay.
O, eto ngayon. Price point, syempre, di pa natin na-disclose ba sa Italy kung magkano yung presyo?
It's a little bit higher than it's a little
The
bit
Edge.
higher than the Edge. Ngayon,
Kasi
ang
black
Ang Edge ngayon is around 36K for the Duo, no? I think the price point of the Pro is around 22K, 23K, ganon.
Okay. Pero syempre yung official pricing ilalabas pa lang natin.
Lalabas
Sa
pa lang.
December
December
5.
5. Yep.
Malabo lang mata ko pero nahanap ko yung pricing.
Nandyan lang. We can pause. Podcast naman to. Pwede i-edit eh.
Teka. Dali lang. Pinadala na sa akin ng mga amo ko eh. Yung pricing ng ito. Ay,
Yan.
hindi nilagay. Percentage lang pala ng discount to. Wala yung pricing sa akin.
Okay.
O bibigyan ka namin ng chance, Sir Vince, para mag-promote ng iba pang produkto. Kriga. Kumusta yung Kriga dun sa sa EICMA?
Walang booth ng Kriga.
Wala.
Mayabag si Kriga. Bumibenta naman kami miski walang booth eh.
Yun next.
Pero I just met with the Kriga representative.
Kasi they're
in
there.
EICMA. Nandun sila. Pumasyal din sila. So we had coffee. No.
Pero the problem with Kriga is you buy one bag and it lasts
Forever.
20 years.
10 years guarantee nga. Yun ang problema namin. So, sobrang haba nung
So pupunta lang sila sa inyo once every 10 years? Ganun ba yun? Medyo mahirap yun.
Oo. Pero one thing with Kriga, yung design nila is durable.
Bagay sa kahit anong bike.
Bagay sa anong bike, tsaka everlasting yung design di ba? Tapos every year
Timeless.
they have a new timeless, no?
Oo.
Tapos every year there's a new design that comes out, no? So hindi sila stagnant no? So yun. Right now they have a tie-up with Roland Sands. So may mga
amazing.
bagong bags na naman designed by Roland Sands coming out.
What about with Nex? And did they have a booth there? I think
Next has a big booth there. Okay? Palaging merong booth si Next doon. So Next is launching kasi last year they introduced the XWED 3. It's the new this one, no? It's the new adventure helmet of Next, no?
And it's got that thing that protects your brain, that yung gumagalaw.
Oo, kasi this one has to comply with the new ECE regulation.
That's why it's a little rounder.
It's a rather rounder.
Oo.
Ano ba yung bagong regulation ng ECE? Before, the old regulation, there's atong top part lang ang tinetest nila for
Impact. Oo.
So they drop
May
something.
weight. Oo.
Ngayon, yung bagong regulation, dapat miskisan mo i-impact, it will hold.
And that's why the helmets
That's
are all
why it's
rounder.
rounder. Oo.
Okay.
Amazing.
Tapos yung mga strap hindi dapat natatanggal. Okay.
Kasi tumatalsik no?
Tumatalsik. So
Upon
yun ang
impact.
tinetest nila ngayon. Okay.
Mm.
So it has to pass that. Kaya nag-iba ngayon yung shape ng mga helmet to pass that
Right.
regulation. So Next, introduce a cheaper version of the adventure helmet.
Okay.
I think they call it X-Travel or X-Travel something, no? So we'll bring it in again next year. Okay. They have a new helmets for scooter. Okay, for city riding. So yon, wait for it next year.
Yung maganda sa Next, yung forma talaga eh.
Yeah.
Diba? I mean, ang sexy niya eh.
Ano siya? Angular, pero hindi hindi
Para siya,
hindi over the top.
it's interesting.
Mm.
I mean, of course, you've got your Shoeis and your Arai, which are classic silhouettes, no?
Mm.
But the Next is always a little kind of futuristic, medyo...
Alam mo yung Brabus ng Mercedes. Para
Parang
siyang
ganun.
ganun tignan.
Oh.
di ba?
Alam mo hindi ang ngopya.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. A lot of the helmets, makikita mo yung similarities ng shape nila, di ba? Oh.
Yun. Okay. Anything we could expect sa Ride Manila coming months, next year?
Invite natin sila sa sale.
Hindi, wala na. Wait, no,
walang
it's a whole month pala.
It's until end of the month.
Oh, yun pala. Okay, so Black Friday sale.
It's
Yan.
a Black Friday sale at Ride Manila. A lot of the
2024
cardo
to
units.
Kung nakikinig ka sa 2025, iba na yun.
Oo.
every year naman may Black Friday sale kami
Okay,
for
okay.
cardo. So 20% discount for most of the units except
Pati yung
the
mounts.
Edge Pro. Mount is 25%
Uy,
discount.
Bak! Pwede ka na bumili ng mount.
Uy,
Yeah.
Pero hindi 45mm yung ano.
kung pabibili, may libre naman.
Pwede pala yun, libre.
Magpakita kayo sa
December 5.
Sure yan. Nandun kami. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir Vince, we're hitting the 32nd minute mark. I guess, na tayo, yung may wagang tanong.
Oo.
Sir Vince, paulit-ulit namin tinatanong sa iyo tuwing nandito ka. Ano para sa iyo ang kahulugan ng pagiging isang tunay na rider?
Walang isang kahulugan sa pagiging tunay na rider. Ako, I can is if you love riding, that's a tunay na rider. So kanya-kanyang version 'yan, 'di ba? Mm-mm. If you ride going to a breakfast place, tunay na rider na 'yan, 'di ba?
Right.
If you ride for
Camel.
work.
If you ride camel,
If you
tunay
ride
na
camel.
rider.
Pero kung ganun, anong tawag kay Bak na Mongolian adventure guide?
Tunay na may amoy.
Amoy camel.
On that note,
Ayun.
take us out. Oh, wait. Who do we have to thank for this episode?
Siyempre,
Chigi. Tapos, Castrol.
sa world, number one.
Tayo.
May tayo ba yun?
Tayo yun.
Meron.
O sige,
Isa pa.
ulitin natin. Sino ang kailangan natin pasalamatan?
Siyempre, Castrol.
Sa
Sa
world,
world,
number
number
one
one
tayo.
tayo.
Alright.
Sabay-sabay.
Meron pa ba nung amoy Castrol?
Yung
Sa
yung
two-stroke.
tutti.
Sa two-stroke? Ganun pa din.
Oo.
Meron
Amoy
pa din.
strawberry.
Amoy Castrol pa din.
Hindi. Ibang
Hindi,
brand pala yun.
Ibang brand ang strawberry.
Nagkamali ako doon sa live stream.
Iba yung strawberry.
Kasi I really like my Vespa. Nilalagay ko yung strawberry eh.
Oo.
Yung strawberry, yun eh.
Ayun, maraming salamat sa aming mga butihing sponsors. Shigi Philippines, Ride Manila, Castrol, syempre, Pop Sockets.
Otterbox.
Otterbox. Cardo.
Yan.
Cardo. Sa world number 1 tayo.
Otterbox, thank you.
All
See you
right.
next week. Follow us, Spotify, Facebook, YouTube.
You know what?
May naman ba YouTube natin?
I think next week, ibang studio na tayo eh.
Oo nga.
Jeff,
Huh?
ibang studio na ba tayo? Dito pa rin? Nag-extend tayo?
Ha?
Oh, okay.
Amazing.
Mas
Okay.
malapit na sa South.
A little bit by like 2
2
kilometers.
Malapit sa mental.
Lilipat kami sa Mandaluyong.
Malapit sa mental.
Tsaka balita ko, kulang kayo ngayon
Ha?
Kulang kayo.
Uy!
Pwede ba mag-apply?
Wala ko sobra.
So, sobra naman, Sir Vince, pagka nag-apply.
Nako. Buti pa si Aris, wala pang linabas na Moto Chismis about
Oo
tunay
nga.
na rider eh.
Mukhang busy.
May immunity yata tayo
May
doon.
immunity ba si Aris? Alright, take us out. Bago
Mutual
maglala.
immunity.
Before this gets out of control.
Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Spotify, YouTube, Facebook. Di ko alam, may laman yung YouTube.
Tunay na rider. We out.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.